So first we hit this pool ball, okay, and then the energy is gonna transfer through, and it's gonna hit that pool ball up and over the ramp and into the dominoes.
And the dominoes are gonna knock down all the way down to here. It's gonna knock out this. Then the top, this card's gonna fall, knock this over, hitting a pool ball, which is gonna roll down.
And then once the pool ball hits, it's going to push these scissors, cut the string, which goes through this pulley system, drops that down, the weight, which makes this car go down the track.
And then the car goes down the track and hits the speed booster, and it hits the ball. And there's a switch on the other side of the ball that it comes in contact with, which turns on this fan. And the fan blows over. The fan blows over that thing, and then that knocks over the dominoes, which start a chain reaction,
Which go and hit this pendulum, which is gonna swing and hit this pool ball.
Pool ball's gonna roll down the sticks. It's gonna knock over the block of the wood with a stylus and land on the phone.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I can't keep up.